All right. I wanted to jump on here and make a recording. The student resource that is due, your weekly planning page that is due the end of the day today. I think it's like 7 p.m. tonight. You need to get this in so that I know what you're working on for the plan here. What I wanted to do is to help you with the instructions for the project planning page. I know we've gone over this in class before, but this is a new review for you. So I will get this done and posted so that if you need to come back and refer to it as to how to use Google Documents, this will help you do that. So the instructions for your planning page are as follows. Your project planning page must be typed. Google Docs is the easiest way. It's going to help you with submitting. It must be typed using 12 size font, no bigger, no smaller. Must be typed using a standard font, Times New Roman, Arial, Calibri, nothing fancy. So stay away from the cursive, like the stuff that looks like writing, or it just doesn't, it's really hard to read. Don't use that. In the top right-hand corner of your first page, not in a header, type your name, the teacher's name, homeroom, class, the date of the assignment is due. So in my mind, the header is fine for typing because then it shows up. So I'm just going to change that for LA 835. If you double click in the header, or you can go up to here and go help and type in header, insert or remove header, it should give you that. So you should be titling your project planning page 4, and then put your name here. And then down here, type your first and last name. Okay, type your teacher's name. Type language arts, whatever class you're in. 835 is this one. And then the date that it's due, Monday, May 4th, 2020. So project planning page. If you go back and look at this, it says capitalize the entire title. So let's go back over here and capitalize that. So in terms of making this a capital, page title here, I'm going to go here and I'm going to put on cap locks, and I'm going to type project planning. Did it say page? I think my project planning page. So I guess I should put it at the front, my project planning page. And then it said to capitalize the entire title, and it's size 12 font. So let's make sure. So click and highlight. Font sizes are right here. Make sure you click 12 for whatever you've chosen. You've bolded it. Okay, so that's unbolded, that's bolded, you've underlined it like that. Okay, so that's that part. 12 size font, same font as the rest of the document, no word art, it's centered. This is the thing where I see people mess up. So when you highlight that, if you click up here, you have your alignments. So this is left, center, right alignment. So I didn't show you, so let's go back and center that. This one is all right aligned. So if I go up in here, highlight all that, click right alignment, then that ends up on the right side. Okay, so the next thing is it says to double space it. So double space, let me just check. Yeah, so we've done all that. Number 7 here, you must write out and answer the following questions. Which project number have you chosen? Explain specifically what you intend to do with your presentation, and then here's the weeks, what you're planning to accomplish. So if we go back over here, I just copied and pasted that into the document so that I have it. But what I did is, if you highlight everything that you type, and then this little thing is your friend right here, click that, line spacing, click double spacing. Okay, that should stop it. So now every time I go to type something, if I hit enter, see how it double spaces there, and then if I type, it will fix it there. So this is it, and then it's just submit, but this is the planning page, just giving you a quick tutorial on how to use it.